Hey everyone, we got something new and exciting from my friends over at Bow Oake Knives. So I haven't looked at this yet. He sent it to me with a few other things, so it's still a bit wrapped up. We're just going to unwrap it right here on here. So this is the new Victorinox Winter Magic knife for 2023. It is a Cadet. It's limited to 10,000 pieces. Talk to them over at Bow Oake, and they still have some available, so you can go ahead and contact them. I'll have a link to their website and Facebook page in the description. Let's take a look. First up is this spiffy little charm. So it's in there tight. So this is also a little snap ring to clip onto the key ring, and it is of mountains, so it reminds me of the old Winger logo. And then this is in the perforated cardboard, layered cardboard, I guess I should say, similar to how they do the annual ALOX knives now. So this is pretty cool. It does have a texture on it, so I know we've had some of the Celador models with a texture on them, but this is actually machined in there, so it's actually really beautifully done. So this is still aluminum scales, but it's been, not only is the milling in there, it's also different color anodizing in different sections. So you had the mountains, different slopes on the mountains, pure snow covered. You got the sky up here with the clouds. On the back side, you also see mountains, completely different mountains. I don't know if it doesn't look like they flow together. Maybe if you go this way, they flow. Yeah, flows a little better if you rotate it that way. So yeah, and it's, normal Cadet. So you got your main blade, you got your nail file, so got your butt opener, your can opener. This actually feels really nice in the hand. Almost feels lighter than a normal Cadet. I don't know, I just haven't grabbed a non-modded Cadet lately, but the overall anodizing on this is just beautiful. This might be one of the most beautiful factory knives I've seen in a while from the Victorinox factory, so it's really cool. I don't know if I've shown off a Winter Magic Cadet before, or Winter Magic knife before. I know I've done some of the heritage ones, but this is, and the yearly ones, but not the Winter Magic. So this might be a first. Like I said, go hit them up at Bow Oake. You can go ahead and order one, and yeah, they still have some available, and get you one. It is beautiful. It needs to be in anybody's collection. And lost a key ring. Here it is. They so yeah, definitely recommend it. It's beautiful, definitely worth the price. So hit them up, and we'll just slide this guy right back in here. Yeah, and it even looks cool in the box. You can still see the mountains and everything else. Man, that's pretty fancy. Have a great day, everyone.